Hello and welcome to Teen Village channel, and in this short video I will show you how you can enable or disable apps notifications in Samsung Galaxy F62. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to enable or disable apps notification in Samsung Galaxy F62, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I am showing you in this video.